The new referral program that we launched in January got everybody very excited, and for a very good reason as well. Whether you're an entrepreneur, having a few businesses or your own business, and whether you're an employee working for a salary, you can now start earning additional income purely by referring clients to us. For many years, people have been referring clients to us by word of mouth and all kinds of ways. And now we can give back to all of our clients that's been so loyal to us by sending us and refer us to other clients. One of the biggest questions we received after sending out this referral program was, for what service can you refer people to us? And obviously people know us as an accounting practice for monthly accounting and tax. But over the years we built relationships with specialized partners around our niche market that can assist you in a specific niche market, in a specific field, and we will refer them to those people. If you refer somebody to us, you will share in that agreement, a commission on that agreement. So contact us. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and we will assist you with any of your questions.